to pick up some stuff. That Jiselle right there. There, you're not gonna say nothing? You know, I could just get no help on this. What's this, Vlogmas 25 days?
I don't even know what it's called.
It don't matter. She's not helping. She's just sitting there with a little stank face.
I'm driving. I'm being a intensive
Stank
driver.
face. So,
Nobody wants to see your nostrils.
it's not in my nostrils. It's a viewpoint. You're not even in video. Why are you even distracting me? Okay. I'm going to Walmart. Pick up some stuff. I'm hungry too, man. She mad cause my hair popping right now. And she ain't got no popping hair right now. She mad. Man, upset. Yes, they do. We'll see what type of games they got.
Getting yourself ready.
This is hard work right here.
Yeah. Doesn't Kobe has the Apple Watch? What if we get him like a band for it or something? Are you gonna cut off my hair for most of it? Can you not see with the screen?
Not really. And plus, you try holding your arm up here.
I have.
Okay? Well, I'm not practicing this shit.
The sports stuff is in the next hour.
Walmart took, huh?
Yeah.
Nah, all that flame about it?
I saw that great footage of Billy's butt. Didn't know he was recording. Thought he pushed stop. But what did he push? Nothing, and kept recording. So I hope you enjoyed that montage of Billy's butt, because that's what it was. Oh, there's a $20 one. Looks good. Look here, $19.97. Great digital scale, so he can know his weight loss journey. So Billy has started his own channel called The Masculist, right? Yeah. And he's gonna be talking about weight loss journey, other men's stuff, men care, self-care. Not gonna pun?
You mean you already said it?
Well, I didn't know if I forgot things. But yeah. Okay. Let's move on. Christmas! We're going to the Christmas aisle. And you know, I'm excited. We're on our way to the dollar store because the ornaments don't have the little hooks in there anymore. Like, I could have sworn hooks were included with the ornaments. So we're paying the same price for ornaments and it doesn't include hooks. And I'm upset.
Upset.
Would have got that.
Come on, Zia.
Let's go finish the tree. I'm not that short, really. Thank you.
Come on, Rick. Come on, dude. Come on. You got spirit.
It's not even lit. Go light it up. That good old
It's supposed to be
rotel
hot. It's supposed to be like that
Spicy?
temperature.
You can eat it hot or cold. So Billy's cooking dinner. Turn on the light.
Like I always do.
Oh my God, you scared me. Why does he said it loud? So Billy's cooking dinner. And Billy, what are you cooking?
Soup and cornbread.
Soup. I'm cooking the cornbread, so don't get it twisted. I do like a mean cornbread.
I think Jiffy does half the work, but yes, you do a nice cornbread.
Somebody has to mix it and put it in the bowl.
Somebody do.
Phyllis discredited me. I don't like being discredited. But this soup that Billy does is like super good. We used to have it all the time when we were in Beaumont. He used to cook it all the time, especially for winter. Even during the spring or the summer, I wanted it because it was so good. Even though it was hot, we would all be sweating. But now, since it's winter, it's a good time to have it. Right? What's it missing?
Can't give away all my secrets.
A little razzle, a little dazzle. You putting everything in there. This is what you do, ladies. Get you a man that can cook. You'll never have to cook again. The secrets. The only thing you'll be responsible for is the cornbread. Let's see. I want to taste.
Hey, hey, hey!
I want to taste.
Move. Get out my pot.
Couldn't even be fast enough. Oh my God. I'm so upset. Brings back memories. Us in the Beaumont. But I think this is gonna be it for today. Say bye, Billy.
Later.
Didn't even look up.